representative from United Philippines in Hong Kong. Congratulations everyone, even though it's raining, your program is very nice and well attended.
Thank you!
On behalf of the Asian Migrants Coordinating Bodies from Nepal, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Philippines, we are here to celebrate you. Indonesia.
Thank you!
Sorry. Indonesian community is one of the pillar of migrants movement that fight for the rights and welfare of whole migrants domestic workers.
Oke, Ate Sila bilang meskipun hujan deras, acara tetap berjalan dengan lancar. Acara tetap berjalan sangat meriah sekali. Berbagai migrant national solidarity.
Long live international solidarity!
Selamat siang, saya Sheila. Saya di sini untuk bergabung dengan pertemuan Anda.
Yay! A round of applause to Ate Sila. She can speak in Indonesia.
Selamat. So your service to your fellow migrants Indonesian empowered everyone to fight and not just be silent in the injustices that we face here. So thank you to all our Indonesian sisters and brothers who always walk with us in all our fight, and together we're able to solve our issues and problems. Let's continue to fight the root cause of migrations, because if only there is a means of living in our own country, we don't need to be here